Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about today what we don't know, we don't know. You know, as human beings, I do believe that we are limitless. We can achieve whatever we want, and more specifically these days with the internet, we have access to all the knowledge in the world. But the thing is, how to know exactly what we don't know, and more specifically, how to know what we need to know in order to achieve what we want. I, as a startup coach, I see that all the time. I see founders with great ideas. They want to achieve beautiful things. They have deep understanding of their market. They really know what they want, but they have no idea how to get there. And more specifically, they have no idea what are the pitfalls that will come their ways. So yesterday I was watching again a video from Elon Musk, and he said that in order to be a successful entrepreneur, you need to be willing to endure pains and to just come back and to really resist and to focus and to just move forward no matter what happened to you and to your project, because things doesn't usually turn the right way. You have pains all along the way of building a startup, of being an entrepreneur, because yes, a lot of things happen. So what's the solution? I mean, I don't think I do not believe that I have all the solutions, but here is a little clue on how to find yours. I do believe that the answer is not in what to do or what I don't know that I don't know, but in who. Who did it already? Who knows how to get there? Who maybe is ahead of me, maybe by 1 or 2 or 3 years? Who know exactly what will be the pitfalls, and how to avoid them, just because they did it already, maybe because they came across those pitfalls. And obviously, the answers will be in what we call influencers. So by influencers, I call really good influencers, and that's where I want really to make the difference between all the crap that we can see on social media these days and real influencers that can help you because they are ahead of you, because they did some work on themselves, on their own business, and they can give you the right advice at the right time just because they are a few years ahead of you. If you take someone who maybe is like 30 years ahead of you, like Bill Gates, etc., of course they're going to be really inspiring, but they are not going to provide you day-to-day know-how on how to get there. They are going to inspire you, but now not providing you what you don't know, right? So really, that's my takeaway for today. Think about who you want to follow, and follow them not only on social media, because in social media, unfortunately, it's going to be mixed with a lot of things and advertisement, etc. And maybe most of the relevant message that you should listen or watch or read maybe are going to be set aside by the social media itself, because the only thing they want is to sell you some advertisements. So follow the right people for you. Decide who really are good influencers for you, who inspires you, and try to learn what are the pitfalls that came their way during the past years or so, and that there is some good chance that you will figure out what you don't know yet, and you will be able to learn it along the way with them. So I hope it helps. I wish you a great day, and I'm going to talk to you very soon. Again soon. Bye for now.